Ah, Lisbon. A city that effortlessly marries the old with the new, where historic tram routes mesh with modern artsy hubs, and traditional fado music reverberates alongside lively modern beats. Over the years, I've journeyed through countless corners of the world, but Lisbon, with its undying charm and ever-present history, holds a special place in my heart. If you're a first-timer in this captivating city, allow me to guide you through its most iconic landmarks. 1. Jerónimos Monastery, Mosteiro dos Jerónimos. Stepping into the heart of Belém, the Jerónimos Monastery stands as a testament to Portugal's age of discoveries. Commissioned in the 15th century by King Manuel I, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a masterpiece of the Manuelan architectural style, a uniquely Portuguese twist on Gothic architecture. As you wander through its grandiose cloisters, you're treading the same grounds where ancient monks once strolled and where seafarers sought blessings before their perilous journeys. The church within the monastery houses the tomb of Vasco da Gama, the legendary explorer who charted the maritime route to India. A visit to Jerónimos wouldn't be complete without marveling at the intricate stone carvings that depict historical and biblical scenes, intertwining them in a captivating dance of history and myth. 2. São Jorge Castle, Castelo de São Jorge. Perched atop Lisbon's highest hill, the São Jorge Castle offers more than just panoramic views of the city. It offers a glimpse into its turbulent past. The castle has seen Phoenicians, Romans, Moors, and Christians, each leaving their mark on its stone walls. Walking through the castle's arched gateways and robust ramparts transports you back to the Moorish times, with narrow lanes leading you to the ruins of the royal palace. The Ulysses Tower, the highest point of the castle, beckons with promises of an unparalleled view of Lisbon. And trust me, the climb is worth every step. From this vantage point, Lisbon unfurls in all its terracotta beauty, with the Tagus River shimmering in the distance. 3. Praça de Comércio, Commerce Square. After the devastating earthquake of 1755, which obliterated most of Lisbon, the city rose from its ashes, and nowhere is this resilience more evident than at Praça de Comércio. This grand riverside square, framed by lemon-hued buildings and crowned by the triumphal Rua Augusta Arch, was once the maritime gateway to the city. Imagine the grandeur of the bygone era as merchants and travelers stepped onto these very cobbles from their ships. The statue at the center, of King José I, stands as a proud nod to the monarch who oversaw much of Lisbon's reconstruction. I recommend an evening stroll here. 4. LX Factory. Once a fabric production plant, today's LX Factory stands as a beacon of Lisbon's artsy and bohemian spirit. Nestled beneath the 25 de Abril Bridge, this industrial complex has metamorphosed into a creative hub, housing trendy cafes, quirky boutiques, and captivating street art. Every corner of LX Factory tells a tale. From bookstores ensconced in old printing presses to rooftop bars offering enchanting views, this place is a sensory overload. Attend one of the many cultural events, exhibitions, or music performances that constantly grace the venue. It's a snapshot of Lisbon's modern pulse, nestled within its industrial past. 5. Santa Justa Lift, Elevador de Santa Justa. In a city of 7 hills, the Santa Justa lift isn't just an architectural marvel. It's a testament to Lisbon's ingenious urban planning. Designed by Raoul Mesnier du Poncet, an apprentice of the famed Gustave Eiffel, this wrought iron elevator connects the lower streets of Baixia to the elevated Carmo Square. Board the lift, and as you ascend, the city unfolds around you, culminating in a panoramic view at the neo-Gothic viewing platform. From here, the entire Baixia district lies sprawled beneath, with the spires of Rocio Square and the ruins of Carmo Convent within arm's reach. In wrapping up, whether it's your first visit or the 100th, Lisbon never ceases to amaze. From its historical treasures to its modern flair, the city has a rhythmic allure, a pulse that invites everyone to dance. So, to the first-timers about to embark on this journey, savor every moment, for in Lisbon, every cobblestone and every sunset tells a story. And trust me, you'll want to listen. Thanks for watching.